At last, OpenAI had integrated ChatGPT into Microsoft Excel directly without using any third-party plugins. And in this short video, I will show you how to start using it. It's very easy and straightforward. First, click on Ads On. Then type ChatGPT. Make sure that you choose the formal one from OpenAI, then click Add. When you first install it, it will ask to sign in into your ChatGPT user account. Fill in your email and password, then accept the terms, reply to some simple questions, and that's it. Next time when you open your Excel, it will be available from here. Let's try a simple example. Here is a simple table of items and their costs. Let's assume that we don't know how to calculate the summary. Type in the ChatGPT's tab something like, under the Costs column, give me the summary of all costs. Wait for a few seconds. Click Allow, and there you go. More advanced tutorials and guides about using ChatGPT in Excel will be added to the channel, so stay tuned.